Hey guys, welcome to Cutesy Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the new Strawberry Shortcake Bat Dragon pet from Roblox Adopt Me. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. With this drawing, I'll be erasing some lines, so I'd recommend drawing in a pencil first. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the shape of the head. We'll start with a curve down, and then curve it out like this, forming an S-shaped curve. And then at the bottom, let's draw the nose with a rounded triangle shape like this. Next, let's add the eyes. On the left side here, let's draw a curve down, and then a curve out to the left. And then draw the other eye with a circle on the right here. Now let's color both of the eyes in black. Now let's hop back up to the top and let's continue the headline over to the right and down. Now let's move back over to the left under the nose and let's draw a curve down and over to the right line. Next, let's draw the pattern on the head. Starting from the top of the left eye, let's draw a curve up and back down to the other eye like this. And then from the top of the right eye, a curve over to the right and down. Next, under the right eye, let's add 3 circles like this. Next, let's hop down under the face and draw the fangs. Let's draw a curve down here, and then a point down and back up. And then let's erase the overlapping line inside. And then draw the other fang on the left here underneath. Next, let's move up and draw the ears. Let's start with a curve on the top right of the head here. Then let's bring it up, coming to a point. Next, let's erase the overlapping line inside. Now let's draw the left ear in the same way with 2 curves on the top here. Now inside each ear, let's add another curve inside on the right. Now let's draw the details inside the ears to make them look like strawberries. Let's start in the center and let's draw an upside down heart shape. Now let's start from the top and let's draw a V shape. And then pointed lines down on both sides. And the same on the left ear. And lastly, on both ears in that right section, let's draw a few seeds like this. And that's it for the ears. Let's draw the horns next. Inside the top of the head here, let's draw a curve across. Then a V shape up for the horn. And now let's erase the overlapping lines inside. Now let's draw the other horn on the left like this. And again, let's erase the overlapping lines inside. And that's it for the head. Let's move down and draw the body next. Let's start under the head here and let's draw a curve down to the right, angle it back up, and curve it into the side of the head. And then inside on the bottom left, let's add a curve. And that's it for the shape of the body. Let's move up and draw the right wing next. Let's start to the right of the head here and let's draw a curve down. Then let's draw 2 angles up, with the bottom one being a little bit longer. Now from the top line, let's curve it up and over to the right and down. And then let's follow that same line underneath. And now let's close off the end with the curve. Next, let's erase that overlapping body line inside. Now underneath the center, let's draw another pointed shape down like this. And then a bent one above it. Now inside the spines of the wings, let's draw stripes. Next, at the ends in between, let's draw a curve down like this. And then for the next section, let's curve it down and back up. And then let's erase the body line inside. And lastly for the wing, let's add another curve at the bottom of each of these sections. And lastly, at the top of the wing, let's draw a pointed shape up and back down. And then let's add a curve inside. And that's it for the right wing. Let's move up on the left and draw the other wing now. Let's start above the left ear and let's draw a curve up, over to the right, and back down. Now let's do the same thing underneath. And then close off the end with the curve. Next, underneath, let's draw 2 curves down to the other ear. And then a bent shape above it. And again, let's add the stripes inside. And then in between the spines, let's draw 2 curves like this. And lastly, at the top, let's add that piece going up and back down again. And add a curve inside. And that's it for the wings. Let's move down and draw the tail next. On the right side of the body here, let's draw 2 angles out. And then close off the end with the curve. Next, above it, let's draw 2 curves coming up to a point. The same thing going out to the right and below. And lastly, on the top right, a curved V shape, like this. Next, let's move down and draw the feet. Let's start under the body and just draw a curve up and back down. Then close off the bottom with another curve. And now inside, let's add another curve at the bottom. Now let's draw the second foot in the same way, up on the left here. And then a third foot behind on the right. And then the last foot underneath the body here. And that's it for this cute Strawberry Shortcake Bat Dragon. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!